Okay, let's get into our second little exercise, and it's humming. Humming, chanting, some people can say too, but it's making a noise that activates your throat area that stimulates the vagus nerve. It elevates the tone of the nerve and the whole vagal system. And there really is a lot of evidence of feeling calmer and uplifted when you activate this system. So I tend to do this in the shower, which is it's kind of funny, but it's just one of those areas where it's like I'm in the shower washing my hair and I'm just humming. And so when I do this in the morning, it just really sets myself up with a clear focus and direction for the day. And you don't have to be thinking about anything. You just hum, and it doesn't have to be anything specific that you hum. You don't have to close your eyes. It's more like a kind of a happy action. And you again doesn't have to be in the shower, but just anywhere. You just take some time, 30 seconds to a minute, and just hum. It truly does stimulate the whole vagus nerve operation because it's that vibration is allowing that. And that's what we want. We want to stimulate it, activate it so that it supports your best health. And so let's just do that.
Okay.
So we're gonna sit comfortably again wherever you are, again, or standing if for when you use this later. Take just a couple of breaths. And this time, as you inhale through your nose, just hum gently as you exhale. Mm. It's just going to be really kind of soft and continuous, allowing you to just fully get that full exhale out and feel the vibration in your throat and chest. You can do this with your mouth open, your mouth closed, just, play with it and find out what works best for you. But again, it's just breathing in through your nose and humming gently as you exhale. Mm.
It really makes me wanna smile.
And it's funny because it sounds like a bumblebee, and that's truly part of it. That bumblebee gives that kind of fun smiling sensation to the activation, and it truly gives it more of an experience and a reality. And I just love that bumblebeing hum. Um, so just real quick, you can do this again for a few breaths. You can even do this for 5 minutes, just breathing in and out. It's letting you get that breath in and allowing that vibration to resonate through your whole body and activate your vagal nerve and tone. And that's the vibration that we are after.
Cool. I didn't wanna stop when we were doing it. The first one felt kinda odd.
Yeah.
The second one, I kinda would like to do it again. The second one was much more comfortable, and, I love the idea of humming in the shower because I don't really even think about humming, and I don't have a whole lot of privacy at my house. So humming in the shower is actually a really good idea because especially if that's the only place you can have privacy. But what I also felt, especially in the second one, I feel the vibration there. But what I did was I felt the vibration in my chest all the way down to my intestines, and actually and I could feel myself drop into my feet, and that was awesome. It was
Oh,
it was
so
awesome.
excellent. So just really just keep playing with this. Think about, adding it to your daily routine, noticing, to start just noticing how you feel before and after. And I love what you said, Jennifer, that you felt it in your body as you
Mhm.
were doing it. And that truly is, it's giving the truth and the reality of the physicality that you are affecting in such a good way. So, and just allow yourself to play with this and try it and just notice.
And it so simple, again, so simple
Simple.
and can
So
have such a
simple.
profound effect on your well-being. So I don't remember if you said because we you talked about chanting, that this could
Oh,
be a
yes.
chant as well. What most people are like, what do I do with chanting? What do you mean by that? Can you just say something a little bit about that?
It's mostly, and I think it's mostly that you're using a phrase, a tone, either, a sound or a phrase, that you just repeat over and over. And so, whatever that is, there's definitely ones, from a yoga point of view, from different spiritual practices, that the tone uh, the pitch, the type of tone has energy about it that also allows that, almost the intentionality of that tone, to enter into the body. But they all have to do with, again, that vibration having a
Mhm.
way to enter into your body and support you.
So even as you hum, you can change the pitch
Yes, yes.
of your humming to change the vibration
Mhm.
in your body. Well, that's really cool.
Yeah. And again, all of this is helping you activate the parasympathetic and the nervous parasympathetic nervous system to promote relaxation and stress, so that you can truly be mindful about what's going on and mindful of that integration and enhancing all of the effects of what's going on.
That's so cool. I'm going to do that more often.
Yeah,
So
try it.
there
See what you notice. It's great.
I love these episodes because I learn so much. So there
Totally. Mhm.